Hey Besh! Malapit na naman ang Pasko at kung naghahanap ka ng recipe na patok pang negosyo, ito ang super fudgy and gooey brownies. Kaya kung bago ka pa sa channel ko, hello there and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell at pakiclick na din ang all. Welcome to Ice No Bake Recipe. Kailangan natin ng 300 grams of chocolate. I-slice lang natin ito into cubes. Then, mag-add tayo ng half cup of butter. Then, we let this melt. If wala kang double boiler, lagyan mo lang ito ng hot water sa bowl. Saka ipatong ang inyong bowl of chocolate. And in 5 minutes, tada! Melted na. And you can also microwave this for 2 minutes. Then, set aside muna natin ito while we prepare the other ingredients. In our mixing bowl, add lang natin ang ating 2 cups ng brown sugar. At half cup ng white sugar. I-mix lang natin ito. Then, gradually add the eggs. Yes, 1 by 1 lang ang ating paglagay. Then, i-mix na natin ito, and in this recipe, I'm using 5 medium eggs. Maglagay din tayo ng half teaspoon ng salt. This will balance the flavor ng ating brownies. At 1 teaspoon din ng vanilla extract. Then, mix it well. This time, ihalo na natin ang ating chocolate mixture. And mix them until well combined. At ngayon, ilagay na natin ang ating 1 cup ng all-purpose flour. I-sieve lang natin ito para maiwasan ang buo-buo at madaling i-blend. Then, half cup ng cocoa powder. And just remember not to overmix the butter. At kung nagustuhan mo ang ating recipe for today, don't forget to drop your comment below and type, I love brownies. At i-prepare lang natin ang ating pan na gagamitin. I-grease muna natin ito with oil, then importante na lagyan natin ito ng baking paper para hindi ka mahirapan sa pagkuha mamaya at di ito madideform. At flatten lang natin ito para even ang size mamaya. At ito para maiwasan ang excess bubbles. At meron ako ditong chocolate buttons, add lang natin ito as toppings. And you can also add marshmallows or peanuts kung gusto mo ng may variation. And we bake this over 180 degree for 30 minutes. Kung wala kang oven, pwede natin itong gamitan ng improvise. Then, let it cool muna bago natin ito tanggalin. And check natin if luto na using toothpick test. If dry ng crumbs, then luto na ito. And here's our brownies. Madali lang gawin, di ba? And now, slice lang natin ito into your desired na cut. You can also use a plastic knife or just cover it with cling wrap para di sticky ang pag-slice natin. Pwede ka ding maglagay ng peanuts, white chocolate, or marshmallow sa top nito para may variation ka sa iyong brownies. And with our recipe, we made about 24 slices ng brownies. And here's for our taste test. It's really so moist and flaky ito sa taas. At ito, for business idea, pwede mo itong ilagay dito sa ating PT4 na plastic wrap. At 3 ang kasya dito. Pag brownies talaga, alam mong bibenta ito agad. Kahit anong okasyon, lalo na ngayong nalalapit na ang Pasko, maganda itong panimulang pangnegosyo sa maliit na puhunan. And here, sarap. So fudgy and gooey sa loob and it melts in your mouth. At sa nagtatanong kung anong klaseng chocolate gamit ko kanina sa pagmelt, dark chocolate po ang ginamit ko at perfect ito gawing brownies for me. As you see, tama lang yung lasa niya, hindi masyadong matamis and it's really moist, fudgy, and gooey na hinahanap natin sa isang brownies. Kaya sa ating mga sisterette na naghahanap ng pangnegosyo recipe, ito ang recipe na para sa inyo. And here's the costing. And don't forget to drop your comment below kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating recipe for today. Again, my name is Ice. Thank you so much and enjoy cooking!